The ultimate Jexcascom review, tutorial from 0 to pro in 1 minute. If you're shopping online for clothing and accessories, most people get this wrong by buying without checking quality, sizing or authenticity. The surprising truth about Jexcascom is that it offers trendy, affordable fashion with a focus on modern styles, but it's essential to read reviews and verify reliability before purchasing. First, explore the product range. You won't believe how many categories there are, from casual wear to accessories, each with detailed descriptions and sizing guides. This helps ensure you select the right item for your needs. Next, check customer feedback. Most people get this wrong by skipping reviews, but real user experiences highlight fit, fabric quality, and shipping speed. Reading multiple reviews can prevent disappointments and returns. Pay attention to shipping and return policies. The surprising truth is that even affordable fashion can become frustrating if shipping is slow or returns are difficult. Jexcascom provides clear instructions for exchanges and refunds, helping you make confident purchases. Finally, maintain your items properly. You won't believe how long clothing lasts when you follow care instructions, such as washing at recommended temperatures and storing garments carefully. Proper care preserves color, shape, and quality. In conclusion, Jexcascom can help you go from 0 to pro in online fashion shopping. By exploring products, reading reviews, checking policies, and caring for your items, you can enjoy trendy, high-quality clothing safely and reliably.